Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnect automatically in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Let's start. Okay, first of all in the search box type a control panel. Go to your control panel, click on network and internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Select the adapter which is used to connect your internet. Right click, go to your properties. After doing this, click on Configure. Go to your power management and uncheck the allow the computer to turn off this device to safe mode. So uncheck it, click on OK button and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a device manager. Open a device manager. Click on network adapters. Select a Wi-Fi driver. So in my case is the USB wireless LAN card. So right click on update driver and search the automatical. If your problem is still, then you can right click on update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Select a USB driver. So in my case is a USB wireless LAN card MediaTek. So I select it. Click on next button. Okay guys, after doing this set, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Select the network adapters. Select a Wi-Fi wireless driver. Click on uninstall and uninstall your driver. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.